Right, going over Chuck's 1990 Mercury Sable wagon. It's awesome. I love these so much. As you know, here at Desert House Classics, we also do quite a bit of Malaise era, because they are now classics. So right now, we are doing an inspection for some leaks. So we're gonna go hunting. These heater hoses are original, which is kind of sort of a bit scary. Just a little bit. It's definitely seen better days. They're not leaking yet. AC has been converted to 134E. And Chuck told me that he did charge it with that, which is okay, I guess. I'm not big on it, but that's just me. So we're gonna check that here in a bit too. Looks halfway decent up top side here. Nothing. Like the valve covers look good, like they've been replaced. They have blue Velcro, nice Velcro gaskets in them. It's hard to see on the video. There's blue right there. So that's been done. And they're nice and dry. Got a little bit of oil back here at the back side of the manifold. That's not a huge deal. But we're gonna crawl underneath in a minute and see what we got leaking. Up here, the brake system looks nice. I'm always weary of others electrical, but that's actually pretty nice. It looks like it's been soldered and heat shrunk and done correctly, so I'm not too scared of that. Let's go underneath, see what we got. Alright. Cross member is very, very wet. Fluid. This stuff is very wet down here. The oil filter needs to be changed out for sure, which Chuck and I discussed. Wow. Transpan. Looks like someone's lovely silicone job. Enjoy. Oil pan is wet as well. We'll get up under here in a minute and take a look. Radiator hoses are looking pretty good. Ow. Oh, look. Starter's pretty scuzzy. That is 30 years of caked on. Okay. Oh. Messy, yucky, messy. Messy, messy, yucky, messy. Let's get the jack out and see what we got. Well, we found our smoking gun. Bubble sender. Leaky, 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 leaky. see the pan above it is clean and dry, and it's an utter mess below it. It's good because we have to do an oil change anyway in the future here. Here's our smoking gun. Alright, what else do we got? See, this side is just caked with road grime, but it faces the front, which makes sense. Also, our trans gasket is split on the pan. Looks like that. Ugh, God. It's split in a bunch of places. And somebody went to town with the silicone. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Alright, so we found them. We have found our leakies. Now pressure testing the cooling system. Chuck has been saying he's losing a little bit of coolant. So I pumped her up to 18 pounds. We're going to see how she holds up. I think this is another part of our problem, being only a 7-pound cap. Should definitely be closer to a 16. But that could make for some coolant loss too. Look at how incredible this is. Stunner. I love it. Alright, we're gonna back her up. Alright, so we're on max air. Checking the pressure. 34, 33.5 on the low side. 12, 215 on the high. That's a hair low for our ambient temp right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of refrigerant and let it sit here and stabilize too. And verify that we have good temp out of the vent. Right, adding just a hair of refrigerant. We want this high side about 250 for our ambient temp of 90 degrees, which is where we're at right now. As soon as I hit 250, I'm going to shut it off and let it stabilize. Alright, we are sitting pretty right now. We've got about 40 degrees out of the vents. Pretty damn good. Just a little bit